Now food is ready. The person want us to know that this thing is very important first. Food is ready. That is the most important thing first. What is the next thing that you can see from that place? When we talk about hierarchy, let's say in a company now, you have position, you have the CEO, you have the manager, you have other staffs, then supervisors, right? Then before it will now go down to the gate man. You know, every one of them, they are not the same. Even though we are human beings. Now, don't forget I said in using the elements in graphic design, they are elements, but we will not use them the same way. Now, hierarchy is that it will make something that is most important to appear very well, to appear boldly, that is to be the first person that we see. Now, let's look up. In this design now, this particular one, what is the first thing that you see? 30 days design. That's the first thing you can see, right? So 30 days design is very correct because that is what the person wants you to see first. That is the most important thing. That is what that person wants you to see. 30 days design. Let's go to the next one. What do you see first? Is food ready? Now I want you to also pay attention to the colors, so because we are still doing it. We've already talked about color, right? If you look at it from my own screen here, you will be tasting. You want to eat. I'm telling you the fact. I don't know about this screen. If you are fasting, don't look at the screen. This one is even showing something like doing this thing. This is it. Go and see it. You see, yummy. In the work of yellow and red, you see now that food is ready. How far you are, or maybe wherever you are going, that red will call your attention. Then that yellow will raise your appetite. Do you understand? Connects to what I said before. Very simple as that. Now food is ready. The person wants us to know that this thing is very important first. Food is ready. That is the most important thing first. What is the next thing that you can see from that place? After that, okay, ready. After ready, we have food. What other mean that we can see? Okay, let's look at the text now. Let's look the division from it now. Look at the text. We said that is the services, right? So, which means that the person projects it in a way that we will also look at. We said. Then after that, we have that round there, this thing, order now, Abi. Call to action, order now. So that's what the person wants us to see first. That is why he's projecting that thing to us. So that is hierarchy. It's not, if everything is the same size, we are designing rubbish. Everybody cannot be the same. Even God doesn't create us the same. That's why we are called higher being. So there are other being, higher animal. That's biology. What's biology for it? So God even used hierarchy in creating us. So we are an extension of His creation. What can you see first here? Flavor. You see now, then other informations can now come. The person wants us to know that this thing, this particular, is the most important words here. Let's look at another thing. What is the most important? What do you see first? They made with love, tastes like home. Do you see now? After that, you zoom it here. Then after that, you see our menu. The next thing is what? Our menu. You now see fried rice, jollof, all these ones. You are feeling hungry. That's the work of yellow. You see now, let's assume that this thing is now black or blue. You don't feel hungry? No, that's the function of color. You see this one now. These are the things we are talking about. This one, I don't feel like eating like that. You feel like eating? Really? You can eat anything, no? Sorry for that. Now, what is the first thing that you can see here? Kitchen. Sonia's kitchen. That's the person wants you to see. That is why we protect it first. Do you understand? That is hierarchy. Do you understand the hierarchy now? Yeah. So, that's hierarchy.